Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Measure and prepare ingredients and equipment before you start. Use 85 grams of coarsely ground coffee and 680 ml cold water for a ready-to-drink ratio. Choose a clean 1-liter glass bottle or jar for steeping and a fine mesh sieve plus cheesecloth for filtering. Have a tablespoon, kitchen scale, and funnel ready. Optional items include a small mason jar for simple syrup and a thermometer if you prefer. Optional, add 30 ml simple syrup or a splash of milk when serving for sweetness. Start brewing by combining grounds and water in the steeping vessel. Combine 85 grams coffee with 680 ml cold water in a jar and stir to saturate all particles. Ensure no dry pockets remain. Cover the jar to prevent odors and place it in the refrigerator. Cover and steep in the refrigerator for 12 to 18 hours depending on taste. Longer yields stronger flavor. Once steeping is complete, strain into a 1-liter bottle using a fine mesh sieve and cheesecloth to remove fines and sediment. Finish by adjusting strength, serving, and storing properly. Dilute concentrate if needed. Mix 1 part concentrate with 1 part water or milk for balanced strength. Taste and modify the ratio to 1 part concentrate to 2 parts water for a lighter cup. Serve over ice and customize with 30 ml simple syrup or a splash of milk per bottle serving if desired. Store the sealed bottle in the refrigerator for up to 7 days for peak freshness and discard after 10 days to avoid off flavors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.